Alright, so hey guys, what is up? And today I am here to teach you guys how to develop, or as many people call it, code a Minecraft plugin. So before you would even get started, you have to get a developing program. So one that I would suggest, this is the one that I use, is Eclipse. So as you can see, it almost instantly popped up. So we would want to go to Eclipse, and then on the main Eclipse page you would want to go to projects, and actually no, I think you just hit the download button. I'm not sure, I haven't been on here in a long time. So I believe it is the first one, yes, because Minecraft runs off of Java, if you did not know. So we would be quote-unquote Java developers if you are you know, making a Java plugin, which is what you're making. So yeah, once you're on this page, decide, you know, where are you at. Are you on Mac, are you on Windows, are you on a Linux, or are you on something else that no one knows of yet? But since I am on Windows 64-bit, I will download it right here. And if you have no idea, go to your your computer, right click, hit properties, and it will tell you what operating system you're using right here at system type. So yeah, I have hit download. Eclipse downloads mirror selection. So since I do live in the United States, I will click United States. If you live in Europe, there will probably be a Europe one. I'm not going to donate because I do not has the money. So yes, it does say 2 hours on this, and that is because on Steam I am downloading a game right now. So yours will probably not take this long. It just depends on your internet speed. Now I'm actually not going to download it because I already have it installed. So I will see you guys after we have opened up Eclipse. Alright guys, so we are here in our brand new Eclipse program. So what in the world do I do? So first thing you want to do is you want to click out of the welcome, and you have a blank package explorer, you have a blank box here, and you have your blank outline. So normally I like to move this a bit over because I really don't give a crap about the outline. It does not help me in my developing at all, but it may help you guys depending on what you're doing. So for a Java project, let's go to the first Java project we will be doing. So this one would be a simple hello. So yes, our first one will be a command, if you haven't already noticed. I don't think I should put a exclamation point, that's just a bit stupid. So as you can see, we have a preloaded src and JRE system library. So before we even get started, you want to go and right click the hello, go to build path, configure build path, and then as you can see right here, you want to click on libraries and then add external jars, and you want to go on your desktop and find, you know, the latest Spigot download. So for me it is Spigot 1.8.3, so I want to put that in there, boom, and then you just hit OK. So now we have a referenced library right here, and it gives you all a bunch of random crap that you will never want to know. So yes, let's right click our src and create a package. So this is going to be me dot and then your username. So my username is Devin underscore 543210, not zero, what am I saying? Devin underscore 54321. So I would do that and hit finish. So after this, you want to go to new and create a class this time, not another package or any of this other stuff. You want to create a class, and we're just going to name this main because it is our main area of what we are doing. And it will preload a page like this. You will be using most of this, but I will edit this as soon as I get some of my notes up, so I will be right back. Alright, so I have pulled up some of my notes, and I will try to explain this to the best of my abilities. So for the first thing, you want to do extends Java plugin. So basically, your public class is extending the spigot.jar because it is a Java plugin. So you want to import that, and so as you may see, you will have red lines under most of everything that you do, and we want to create a bunch of space for this. So to fix that, you will have to import it just like I imported this. So I just imported the Java plugin thing. So for the first thing you want to do, you want to have @override. So it may be underlined red first, but just ignore that for now. So the first thing we're going to do is a public void on, not with a capital, on enable with this and bracket. Actually not that, we want a sequence. So if we do this, this is basically, so the public void is a it's a void that starts and it's public. Instead of being like private and defined, it is public through the entire plugin instead of a certain area and defined at a certain area. So for on enable, as it's basically speaking, it is when the server turns on your plugin. So on enable, we want to put everything inside these two brackets that we would want to run when the server starts. So let's just send a message to console dot get description. So ignore this for now. I'll show you guys what this is in a second. We need to import this. So for plugin description file, it will basically search for a plugin.yml in here, which we will have to create. I'll probably create it at the end of the episode just to show you guys what it does. So it will search through the plugin.yml and it will find it will search for basically the name of the plugin. So we would do get name, as you can see there, and then plus basically adds, so we can do another variable, and I usually do v, but we're going to do version for the version of the plugin, and then we can find the version by doing p.getVersion, basically speaking for itself, and then we want to tell the console that it has been enabled. Come on, Devin, spell. So yes, we would do the same thing for create logger field. Oh right, we have to up here create that it is a public static, and then we'll name this main plugin. So it basically defines that this is a plugin, and then we will have to create the logger public final logger. I have to capitalize this logger because it is incorrect. Equals logger.get logger, and then it will be called Minecraft, as our game that we are playing on is called Minecraft. And then we put a semicolon. So there we go. Everything is fixed up, running nice and nice. I hope I am not confusing you too much. This is my first time I've ever taught anyone, and hopefully I am helping. I'm really trying to help. But yeah, so we just basically need to copy this and put it down here and put on disable instead. Disable. So everything else is okay, except instead of having it be on enabled, I actually need to change that. We would put on disabled. So disabled. There we go. So the plugin has been disabled as the server turns off, as you know. So yes, the next thing we're going to do is actually the main command part. So public boolean on command, just bear with me, I will explain most of this when we have it finished and all typed out, sender, and then we will do command cmd string command label, and then string the two brackets args. So some of you more experienced developers will know what this is, and make sure to import all your commands that you need to import. There we go. And we will have to add a return statement. So there we go, return, and you want this true unless you want it to like display the command that you just used, but that is very annoying and I highly suggest not leaving it to false. But yes, so I will explain what all these do. So on command, it is finding the command that a player has sent. So command sender, basically the server is searching for who sends this command in chat, and then sender is the you know, the player who has sent the command. Command.cmd is basically defining the command in console, and then string command label. I will explain this later because this is more advanced for adding multiple commands, which we will do next episode. So for string bracket bracket args, I might actually add one just for an example, but I won't do anything with it. It basically gives us a list so we can do multiple commands. So there are many different ways of doing this on command sender thing. I'm just doing it in a way where I can do multiple commands all in one plugin. So for the first thing, we're going to do player. Now you can name this whatever you want. He could be called player P. But let's define the rest of the variables before we go into that. Player, and then sender. Oops, wrong line. Sender. So this defines a player as P, and as you can see, he is defined as P. And remember, we gotta import player. But it defines the player as P, and then the player in the brackets is what the server is searching for. He's searching for a player, and then that player is a person who has sent it. So I really hope I'm not confusing you guys yet. So the next thing we're going to do is if command label spelled Evan dot equals ignore case, and let's just call this hello. So it is command label, it is the command, you know, you're labeling the command hello, and then equals ignore case is defining that it can either be hello or lowercase hello. It does not matter. You could have like a capital E in it or capital L somewhere. It doesn't matter as long as the word is hello. So the next thing you need to do is you need to define it with brackets. Yes, this is very weird, but it does fix the red line that we had before. So let's just say we want to send it a message. So as we defined before, P is our player, so we can do dot, and we can do a ton of things with P. Let's get that again. We can do all of these things with P. Anything you want, basically, in Minecraft, you can do with P or player. So the thing that we are going to do is we are going to send him a message. So we're going to do send message, and we will define what that message is going to be. So let's just say hello, and then we'll say hi there, and then something a bit more advanced is we can do plus get player name. I believe that's how you do it. Plus get player sender, I believe. I'm not sure how to find him. You know, we'll just ignore that. I'll go that to another episode. Hi there. So it is now saying hello, and then it would be hi there back. And if we wanted to add that into a different color, let's just say red. So we would have that there. Make sure you put your pluses as it defines, you know, you can't just have this, like red, and then have hi there. It just, because it thinks as it's saying red hi there, not red and hi there. So yes, you have to add pluses for whatever you do. And if we wanted to send him another message, we would take this and put it on another line, and then just be like, my name is Console, because he's getting it sent by Console. Or, you know, my name is Devin, my name is Jack, my name is Cody, whoever you wanted it to be. So yeah, that is the main command. Now I will add a second command for some of you guys who are a bit more advanced and want to know multiple commands. So it's basically the same thing. Command label dot equals ignore. I spelled ignore wrong. Ignore case. We'll name this as hi, just another variable as hi, and then we'll put the brackets around that. Boom. Put that. I'm not sure why else is defined improperly. Syntax else bracket expected. Oh, we put the wrong kind of, no, we put the right kind. What did we do? I think this, right? Yes, yes, yes. And equals ignore case. There we go, there we go. We fixed everything. So yes, that would be how you would do another variable like that. So let's actually now create a plugin.yml. So what we want to do is we want to go to new, and then we want to go to file, and we want to name this file plugin.yml. And that will create a notepad file. It will pop up on your screen. Remember this file. I'm going to pull up a this one right here. This is a test one that I did before. So we'll basically, let's just copy this, and I will tell you guys exactly what everything does. So name, we want the name of the plugin. What do you want to call it? It doesn't matter what you named it in here. It really doesn't. You can name it like YT blah 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 blah, keyboard smash. But we want it to be called something else. So let's name it greeter. That's probably not how you spell greet. No, let's just name it plugin hi, whatever. Something more simple that Devin can comprehend. So this is the main folder. This is where, as I told you guys to define it as main. So you would do me.your name, your username as you defined right here, and then main, or if you called it maybe like you called it hi or hello, whatever you called it, go to that. And then your version, since I do like to start in the alpha versions, I would do this because this is the first version I've ever done of it. So for the commands, you see our two commands in here. We have hello and hi. We have to define them in here or they will not work on the server. So we have to define them. It is you have to, literally have to, or you can't do anything with it. So here's our hello and hi. I like to do them in order from how I develop them, but you guys can do it however you want. So description, this says hello back to you, smiley face. No, wait, we can't do that with a period because it has the brackets and it would screw it up. This also says hi back to you dot. So this right here, this is a plugin. We have a completed plugin. So you would save that, boom, it is now here. You just hit plugin.yml again, boom, you now have yourself, and I'm having some glitches on my screen, that is weird. But you now have yourself a plugin.yml, a main class, and this. So let's go to export, and you want to choose general, no wait, it's in Java, a Java and a jar file. Next, and let's browse. We need to put this somewhere. Let's put it on our desktop. Let's hit save. Desktop. Oh, we have to name it. So let's name it hi.jar. There we go. So now it is defined. We have hi, and then we will hit finish. Hit OK. It just saved our file, and I will see you guys when we are running the actual command. There's one quick mistake I made. I cannot believe I made this mistake, but we put the plugin.yml in our package. Oh my gosh, guys. So if you did that with me, if you were following every single thing I did, just pick it up like this with your left click and just drag it into hello, and it will automatically fix itself underneath. This is where it's supposed to be. You guys, a couple of you guys who are probably more experienced are probably smashing your heads against the desk like, what is he doing? But yes, this will fix it. So just do the same thing, export it as a jar file, next, and we will rename it. Boom, done. So now I will meet you on the server. I cannot believe I did that. It's facepalm. Alright guys, and we are here on Minecraft. So we are just on a quick test server that I have for my server. I test all of my beta plugins on here, and as you can maybe tell, I was just testing my obby breaker plugin. I had just recoded it to now add enchantment tables and ender chests in the potato. But right now the potato does not work, and I'm still fixing it. But yeah, so we have our plugin. If I do /help, you can see we have command hi. So if you do /help hi, our two commands that we defined in the plugin.yml are now here. So yes guys, you have created your first hi. /hi /hello. Hi there, my name is Devin in the red that we defined. So yes, I didn't mean to be racist, by the way, if anyone took that racist. But yeah, So if we do slash hello, it does slash hi there. No, it does hi there. My name is Devin. And since we did not define slash hi, it does nothing. But, you know, you can spam it, even though it will do nothing. And if you do slash hello, it will spam hi there. My name is Devin. So yeah, there you go. You have created your first command-based plugin. It basically just does hi, you know. I saw this on Hypixel, and I thought it would be cool, you know, to show you guys. Even the most high-tech servers can still have a slash hi plugin, and there's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy it, and I really hope that I helped you out. Please leave a comment down below if I did help you and what you want me to do next. What should I teach you guys how to do? I am open to all and any suggestions because I do really love helping out anyone and everyone who needs it. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to nuke that like button with the keyboard, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.